Cherry tomatoes, welcome back. As ever, please subscribe and like the video. It helps a lot. Nice one. To see PTTP's full video, please visit his channel. I think PTTP, Power to the Proletariat, may have been one of the first auditors I found on YouTube. Highly articulate, he is confident in his knowledge of the law and legislation. He is normally more assertive than aggressive. Was he on this occasion? He admits that he probably should have left it where it was. Did he go too far? If you're wandering around London with a balaclava on, questions are going to be asked, aren't they?
Just in case.
At the beginning of the video, PTTP is making his way down Horseferry Road towards the iconic River Thames. Earlier, he had paused at another government building where his filming was met with obvious disapproval. Now, his destination is even more intriguing, the infamous MI5 headquarters in London. This UK security service building is located in Millbank, on the banks of the Thames. As he circles the perimeter of the building, the tension mounts. MI5, the realm of James Bond, secrets and espionage. Actually, it's MI6 that's associated with James Bond. MI5 and MI6 are the United Kingdom's premier intelligence agencies, each with distinct roles. MI5, the domestic security service, safeguards the UK from threats within its borders, including counter-terrorism, counter-espionage and organised crime. On the other hand, MI6, also known as the Secret Intelligence Service, or SIS, is tasked with international intelligence and espionage, working to protect UK interests abroad. In the United States, the FBI and CIA serve similar but different purposes. The FBI, Federal Bureau of Investigation, is the domestic security and law enforcement agency, tackling federal crimes, counter-terrorism and counterintelligence within the US. Meanwhile, the CIA, Central Intelligence Agency, focuses on international intelligence, gathering and analysing national security information from around the globe and conducting covert operations. Essentially, MI5 and the FBI operate on home soil, while MI6 and the CIA handle international missions.
So look at this, we've got this massive gate here. It's like double barriered, like they've got a big black gate and then through there they've got like a yellow gate. That blue sign on it is out of focus. Get that. But yeah, wait until barrier is fully raised. So yeah, that's pretty crazy. Please dip headlights whilst waiting to enter. I'm guessing they've got like some sort of security camera that like checks a vehicle before it comes in. Yeah. That's the size of that big black gate, like, how mad is that? The security on this place, look at all these cameras, like, everywhere. That one up above that door, big one up there, like, it's literally, it's following me. Give it a little wave. Hello. So yeah, I am being watched going around the building. Look at that. Yeah. It's the so I was going to see where that police vehicle's going. See where he's pulling over to. So I noticed his blue lights went off after we got past this junction. But I can't see them pulled up down here anywhere, so maybe it wasn't for me. It's good. We've got another vehicle coming on through there. What he's up to. Ah, so he is pulling up. Interesting. So I've still got my headphones in, so...
You can just chill.
I've had the police called for me before, but I've never had them rock up on blues before. There's a pin down here. So I'm gonna mosey on down here. Oops, set my drink upside down. Luckily it's pretty empty.
Hello, sir. Hello. Hello there, mate.
Oh yeah.
You alright? Can we just have a little chat? Is that okay?
I'd rather not, I'm a bit busy.
Okay, well, it's because we've had a phone call because you've been seen filming Thames House. Okay, so I just want to have a little chat to make sure everything's alright.
Right.
Alright?
Right. Can I just move over this way so I can actually see who I've got here?
Okay.
So who have we got here? Who are you guys?
I'm PC Mace.
PC Mace, thank you, and yourself?
I'm PC Auditor.
Oh, just, sorry.
Auditor.
Oh, Deshote, thank you, appreciate that. Have you got collar numbers there for me?
Right. Yeah.
2188, thank you, and yourself?
And you are?
3199, thank you. And where are you based from?
Charing Cross. Where
Charing Cross, both of you. And this gentleman?
So he's unaffiliated with the police.
Pardon? Oh, just watching, yeah? Brilliant, thank you. If you could record, that'd be great for me. Oh, you want to ride along with them, are you? Right, okay. Fair.
Okay. And your name is?
Pardon?
Your name?
Well, why do you want my name?
You just asked us for ours.
Oh yeah, because you're obliged to identify to the public, aren't you?
Okay, and what about you?
I'm not obliged to identify to you.
Oh, you're not?
No.
Okay.
No. Anyway, guys, at this point, am I detained or anything? Because, like I said, I am busy.
I would like to have a chat with you.
Okay.
Because you've been filming in very secure premises,
Okay.
especially the doors to it. Okay.
Right.
And we're just making sure everything's alright and everything's above board.
Okay.
And you don't intend to do anything to harm people or anything like that.
Okay. I'll tell you.
That's why we're here.
Okay.
That's the only reason.
I will tell you now. That's not going to happen. I've no nefarious. Another two, bloody hell. Again, I'll tell you now. No nefarious intent. Just making some video.
So the interaction could have stopped here, and probably should have. Power has accounted for himself, although he didn't need to. So at this point, no direct answer was given to Power's question as to whether he was detained. As you hopefully heard, he was told that. We'd quite like to have a chat with you, as you've been filming a very secure building, especially the doors. This is the MI5 headquarters, probably one of the most secure buildings in London.
Why are you surrounding me? Don't surround me. No, don't stand to my back. Don't stand to my back. You wouldn't like it if I got around you and stood to your back. Don't surround me, please. Look, well, then I'm happy to talk to you, but don't surround me. That's weird. That's weird. I'm not. Am I detained?
Sorry?
Am I detained?
Right now, we're speaking to you.
Right, so don't surround me. Don't tell me to stay here. Right, if I'm not detained.
Well, we're trying to talk to you.
Yeah, and that's fine. I'm happy to talk to you, but I didn't like the way that you went around my back there. That made me feel very unsafe. And that's fine, but you don't talk to me from my back. That's a very unsafe thing to do for me. But yeah, anyway. So,
You just got to ignore me now.
well, I've told you that I told you I don't have to tell you my name. Right. Anyway, as I was saying, no nefarious intent. I'm making a video just around London. It's an interesting building.
Do you know what the building is?
MI5, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Right, it's an interesting building. It's been on like films and stuff.
can
It's a
appreciate
tourist. It's a tourist attraction in London. I'm here visiting.
We've got to make sure, you know, some people do these things
Okay.
with malicious intent in mind. Don't
And that's fine. And I've just said, no nefarious intent, no malicious intent. That's it.
Are you?
How is my name going to tell you whether I've got nefarious intent or not?
Well, because then we can. So if, for instance, you did have nefarious intent and you'd been caught doing something before,
right?
Then we'd have a record with you attached to that name that we would then be able to say, okay, this person's doing something that we're not happy with. Let's do a bit more digging into it.
Okay.
If you were to provide your name and obviously you haven't done anything, then that's absolutely fine. We just want to make sure that everything's okay.
Right. Okay, that's fine. I appreciate that. However, it is not the obligation for a member of the public to incriminate themselves or aid you in any of your investigations, is it?
You're not incriminating yourself.
Well, potentially, given my name, answering your questions, anything you can say can be used against your court and all of that, whatever. Obviously, I know I'm not under caution, but, like, I don't have to answer your questions because I don't have to aid you in your investigation. I'm a free member of the public, and I'm going to ask you one more time, am I detained? No. Straight question. Straight question. Am I detained?
No, you're not detained.
Right. Goodbye.
Are you a TikTok or
Right, guys. So they've just told me I'm not detained. So
Power explained here that he wasn't very happy because one of the police officers was about to grab him, but he was warned off by his colleague. You can see him turning here. He's clearly upset that he didn't get what he wanted.
said bugger off. Well, apart from trying to force my name, tell me that I might be up to no good, just bugger off, go away. Well, I'll do what I want and I'll go where I want. How about that? That's it. Do your walk of shame, all four of you. By the way, is there a reason none of you told me that you're recording me on your body-worn cameras? None of you did you?
You want to lift in that car?
No, not really.
Go on.
I'm sure.
It'll get you out of the rain.
I'm good, I don't want to lift in nowhere, mate.
You sure?
I'd rather be in the rain than be in any enclosed space with one of you pigs.
So Power to the Proletariat is obviously either upset at this point or is on the wind-up thinking he has one hooked and is trying to reel it in.
Nah.
You sure?
I'd rather be in the rain, I'd rather be struck by lightning than being in a closed space with a pig.
Nice. Come on.
So what happened here? An auditor filmed another building. Were the police correct to attend? Should Power have just left it where it was and walked off? If someone was running up behind me to grab me, I wouldn't be very happy. Let me know what you think. To see PTTP's full video, please visit his channel. I've left a link to his channel and the original video in the description. Well, that's all, folks. Cherry tomatoes. Until next time. These are copyright notices. If you want to read them, please pause the video.